Hi, my name is Thomas. Today we are going to talk about secure workstation and unified storage. The issues today are many. The backup vendors has difficulty to create agents in the same speed as new application is being invented. The amount of data to protect grows beyond control. It's difficult to protect it using native methods. It is difficult to fulfill business demand for store and recovery time objectives. Archiving content makes it difficult to find the data when needed. Ransomware attackers tries to play a role in the backup and original data. Malicious users and code can affect the ability to restore the data when needed. Let's first dig into our first solution, secure workstations. Secure workstation is a virtual desktop infrastructure. It's a way to safeguard your business applications. The virtual desktop infrastructure runs in a browser. It presents a view of the application of our desktop, and as it uses the browser, it supports any device anywhere. The 0 days make sure that the security related fixes are applied immediately when we need it available. The solution is scale out container solution. It is easy to grow. It saves hardware and electricity costs, as one can use any device, such as a mobile device, and then connect it to a USB-C cable to get keyboard, monitor, mouse and other devices. The view, look and feel is like the desktop of your preference, such as a Windows. The desktop can be shut down when no longer needed, which saves electricity costs. Our Spictera unified storage solution simplifies access and management of your content. It secures your content from information losses, cybersecurity issues and more. It is flexible to meet most requirements. Spictera Unified Storage is designed to be simple and flexible, where the data can be accessed as normal file storage, buckets, S3 or virtual tape library. It is easy to integrate with applications so that continuous data protection can be achieved. Data can be protected while it is in use using own private encryption keys, and in encryption while it is in transit, and encryption at rest on the storage pool or in the hardware. Role-based access control and node access policies restrict unauthorized access. Protection. The immutable storage makes sure that any stored content can't be changed using worm techniques. Worm stands for write once, read many. Any changes results in a new version of the file or object. The built-in versioning control is flexible for most cases. Can be used to replace complex versioning systems such as SharePoint. All versions is available using normal file operations. The retention policy sets how data should be life-cycled, and of course you can combine control the number of versions and retention in combination and so on. Filtering Include-exclude rules based on file path and wildcards and MIME type of data can be used to select write media, retention, and the number of copies and more. Selecting write media for write usage lowers your total cost of ownership and help becoming a climate smart company. Data reduction can be used to reduce bandwidth and storage need. It can be used on the client before you transfer the data or at the target, or in combination of both. Replication of data makes your data redundant and safe using space-efficient data copying process, automatic failover and fallback between site locations. Tiering of data based on age, usage and more. This is useful for many different scenarios, such as keeping your data close to a remote office location where all the versions are kept on the main site location. Here. Snapshot is like taking a picture of your data. This makes it possible to take application-consistent snapshot where the snapshots are kept off-site using space-efficient data copy process. Reading the snapshots change blocking tracking device. This one. Snapshot supports any type of block device, so it's not connected to a specific hardware. First time you take a copy of a snapshot, of course all data will be copied to the DR location, but after that it uses the change block tracking device to read the changed blocks to determine what kind of blocks should be copied. And you can take unlimited number of snapshots, so you're not restricted to what the hardware vendor supports. Instance restore, restoring your data nearly instantly to any server and location, even the similar setups such as restoring from RAID 1 to RAID 5 is supported. The snapshot devices are provisioned as a network block device containing the snapshot data. This one. The operation system starting revert to previous snapshot using the copy back while data is accessible during this process. So the disk is logical here, you can say, or the physical disk is here, reading the snapshot data which is presented from the DR location. After all, keeping your environment and data safe for you so that you can focus on other things such as your work. So why wait? Explore our data security products today. And I hope to see you soon. And there is trial available for you also if you want to give it a try. And we have tons of documentation for different use cases. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.